Hey everybody, welcome back to Why Not RV. On this week's episode, we're going to do another review video on a 30 amp surge protector just like last week, only this time we might have a better solution. Remember, if you want to learn more and make less mistakes while RVing, be sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like and a comment down below. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. When you're looking for a, we'll say, budget-friendly surge protector, this is what I'm doing these reviews for, is to try and find one that's out there that works good, that's cheap, that's efficient, that just does its job, and nothing fancy to it. Now again, I do still personally recommend the Progressive Dynamics surge protectors and EMS devices. Those are definitely hands down the best on the market in my personal opinion, just from personal use. But let's take a look at this guy. Okay, now this is only $55 on Amazon. I will put a link in the description below to where you can buy this. So let's go ahead and take a look at it inside. Okay, you got your manual and some foam in there. It's actually very well packaged for a surge protector. Kind of a little bit of overkill. Protect the head. Again, these are definitely some very nice, clean looking, solid feeling prongs and everything. And I believe this is going to have a better solution for keeping it waterproof but being able to plug in. So let's do that test first. Let's go ahead and first, unlike last week, we're going to check for wasps. And nothing's in here, so looks good. So let's go ahead and unplug our 30 amp and plug in the new surge protector, circuit analyzer, whatever you want to call it. This is just a surge protector, but let's take a close look at it. So just like before, this is nice that it has a nice grip on it that you can really easily take it in and out. It is a little bit more flush than the one from last week. However, it's still not foldable, so when you do close this, it does still have a tiny gap. But again, that's pretty minimal in my opinion. Now down here on the surge protector itself, it is clearly illuminated, very easy to read that it is currently protected, and you have two green lights, means correct wiring, and the different options for light and what could be happening is right there, plain simple, right in your face, easy to see. Now let's go ahead and take my 30 amp and plug it in here. Look at that, it actually is in there and it closed, fully sealed. It's got a nice little bit of space to it. I like it. That is definitely, for the budget friendly side of things, I would say this definitely gets the job done. So you can see it hanging right here. You know, it does a good job. I think for a budget friendly option, this is a pretty good option. Now, surge protectors serve multiple purposes. Obviously, this one is also considered a circuit analyzer, which is why it has all those different lights for showing you if there is an open neutral, reverse wiring, you know, all the different options that are on there. You know, it's nice that you can plug it in first before you plug your RV in to make sure the pedestal is actually wired up properly, grounded properly, all that kind of stuff. And then from there, of course, it is a actual surge protector. So if you're in a big lightning storm, you just might actually save some devices. Now, if you haven't seen my video on a surge protector versus an EMS device, go ahead and check it out. I'm going to put it right here in the corner. It is a great video that really explains the difference between surge protector and EMS and why you need either one. You know, you definitely need a surge protector no matter what. If you have an RV, you have hundreds, if not thousands of dollars worth of electrical equipment in here, from your air conditioning to your fridge, to your microwave, to your Keurig, to whatever you have in there, that is all at risk whenever you don't have a surge protector. Now, so many people will say, oh, I've been RVing for 20 years and I've never needed a surge protector. That's great for you. But I'll tell you that in the first year of RVing, I needed a surge protector and I didn't have one at the time, and boom, lost my Keurig and my microwave. Or excuse me, that was an EMS. So that's great that you never had issues. But when you actually travel and you actually go to different campgrounds, you're not just plugged in to the same campground every single weekend, or you go to one and you know that they got good wiring, you're good to go. that's great and wonderful. But things happen, storms happen, causes the electrical grid to get overwhelmed, and you get these surges, and that's where a surge protector can really save you. And then again, if you're actually traveling, you're going to different campgrounds, every campground is wired so differently. I mean, it's just insane the differences you'll see and things that you'll come across. And without any protection, your whole rig and everything inside of it is at complete, just, you're crossing your fingers. I mean, you're at the mercy of what is there if you don't have any kind of protection. Coming back and looking at this thing, a few minutes later, I like it. I mean, for $55, I don't think you can really beat it for its price point and whatnot. It's definitely right in there, and it does as advertised. It actually fits my cord, no issue, closes, so it's weather protected from natural elements. It's made of pretty good construction. Everything seems pretty durable. I definitely wouldn't fault it on anything up front. Again, I don't really have much of a use for 30 amp. I'm just using an adapter just for demonstration purposes and to show you guys. But a great option. Again, check the link in the description below for where you can buy this. All right, everyone, that's it for this week's episode. I hope you learned something. Make sure you drop a comment below, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching Why Not RV. Bye.